I have the Samsung Smart TV and I'll be showing you how to fix the problem in case your Smart TV keeps turning off and turning on automatically without your input. So the first thing you want to do is check the power cable. Okay, the power cable might be a little dusty, it could be bent somewhere. So what you want to do is unplug the power cable from your TV and also from the wall socket. Check it for any signs of breakages, and then you can dust it using either a brush, or you can just blow some dry air into those spots there and just check if the cable is damaged. Now the other thing you want to check is the power extension cord. It might be a problem and it might be delivering lower voltage than your TV needs. So to ensure that's not the problem, you might want to plug the TV directly to the wall socket, and if it works properly, then you know your problem is with that extension cord. Now the other thing you can check on your TV is the energy saving settings. So from the home screen of your Samsung Smart TV, go to settings. For this one, I'll just go to the side panel on the left, scroll down to settings, select that, and then go to all settings, and then go to general and privacy. Under that, go to power and energy saving. So here, two things you want to check. One is auto power saving, make sure that is disabled, and then you have auto power off. Mine is set to 4 hours by default. You might want to check that and turn that off, and hopefully that's going to fix your problem. Now in case that does not fix your problem, then you might want to also check the AnyNet and HDMI CEC settings. So once again, go to settings, all settings, and then go to connection, and then check for external device manager. Now if you have this enabled, it means HDMI connected devices might have the power to turn your TV on or off. So if you have, for instance, a PlayStation or a TV box or whatever other device you have, if you have this enabled, then for instance, switching on your PS5 might switch on your TV automatically, and switching off the PS5 might also turn off the TV. So you want to first of all disable that, and once you disable, you can be able to see if the TV behaves the same way or differently, and then you can be able to know where the problem is. Now if you have a problem with a certain HDMI device, then you can always unplug it, especially if you're not using it often. You can just unplug it and maybe plug it in when you need to use it. Now if that still does not fix your problem, then you might want to check if there are any available software updates. Updating your TV more often than not fixes most of these problems. So if you go to settings and then go to all settings, scroll down to support, and then you should see software update. You can go there and check if there are any available updates. Now most updates fix software bugs, and maybe a few problems might have, like that one I'm talking about. So having the latest version usually avoids most of these problems. Now in case you've tried everything I've just shown you and your TV still keeps turning itself off or turning itself on repeatedly, or maybe it's in a boot loop, then you might want to perform a factory reset. Now keep in mind that this will erase everything on your TV, all your user information, for instance your Samsung account or any other account, all the apps you've downloaded, everything is going to be erased, and the TV will be set back to exactly the way it was when you first took it out of the box. Now this, for most people, this is unnecessary, but in case you've tried everything I've just shown you and nothing seems to be working, that might be the last thing you want to try. So a factory reset, you can go ahead and watch a video which I'll link down below on how to factory reset your Samsung TV. But hopefully it doesn't have to get there. Hopefully one of the previous methods fixed your problem. Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and good luck.